Hi, I'm here to do an experiment to show how clockwise can reorient itself to appear to be counterclockwise. The further away and the wider out the stars travel and the star trail gets. So up here on the ceiling, I'm going to start just going in a smaller area. Okay, this is clearly going clockwise, to the right, to the right. As I continue to make wider circuits, larger circuits, eventually you will see that now it appears to be going counterclockwise. Go back up to the top. Okay, clockwise, wider. It looks like it's going counterclockwise. Clockwise. Counterclockwise. Clockwise. Counterclockwise. Thank you for joining me today.